Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to make this bow effect shoelace tie. So you just tie as normal crossover and then make a bend each side of the shoelace over and cross over and place underneath, just as I have done here. Place this other one underneath, but make sure it's anti-clockwise, like this one goes up and the other one goes down. Just make sure you follow how I did it in the video. It doesn't matter if my voice doesn't match what's going on at the exact time on the video, and then you just tie it, like secure it very well, like your life depends on it. Basically tie it and then just keep adjusting, adjust, just you can see how I'm trying to adjust just to give the perfect look. Yeah, it's already formed, but you just need to adjust, and that's it. Isn't this the cutest shoelace bow you've seen on internet today? So there you go. So you can just go ahead and do yours, like grab your shoes, and I've got another one. Watch till the end so you can follow that one. I'm not gonna add my voice, I just want you to concentrate and do it just the way I'm gonna do it in the next one as well. And that's it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you get it, don't forget to comment I got it. Yeah, see you in my next one. Bye. Go ahead and do yours. Yeah, take care. Bye.